गुड मॉर्निंग पीपल, वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट जो हम डेली के विजन के 5 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जो हम इनसाइट के 5 डेली क्विज एंड द करंट अफेयर क्विज ऑफ द इनसाइट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इन दिस वीडियो। एनीवे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी आर टेकिंग इट अप फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर, जो हम पिछली वीडियो में कर चुके हैं, दैट वी आर टेकिंग इट अप। Now first question that we are discussed already, the Karadpur nuclear power plant that in criticality. What does this criticality mean? So the answer will be the reactor has now become a sustainable as it can produce sufficient number of nuclear. It means that we are not providing the nuclear so that it can be sustainable. It can therefore be sustainable in the future. So it is the like that. The second question we are discussing about the Dashavtar theatre are from the Karnataka and the Goa region of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, is it the performed in Uttar Pradesh? No, it is in the Goa. The performer person the 10 incarnation, yes, that is correct, and they are using wooden marks, that also be the correct. So second and third statement are correct in this question. In the next question that we are discussing, in the election Lok Sabha or a state assembly, by winning a candidate must know 50% who get the maximum number of votes. So that's why it's wrong. According to the provision laid down in the Constitution of India, in Lok Sabha the speaker post goes to the majority party and deputy. No, that is the wrong. That is दोनों की दोनों जो है अपोजिशन पार्टी नहीं बल्कि रूलिंग पार्टी, that it get. Next is the outsourcing. Which among the following factor led the increment in the outsourcing job in India? Number first reason is given here. Growth of the fast modes of communication. Yes, this is right. Development of a skilled manpower in India. That also be the right. Low wage rate, that as compared to other country. Yes, it is also right in our country. In the next question that we are discussing about the gravitational wave exposing of a star to big star moving at a very high speed. It means that the gravitational wave, how it is produced. What is the cause of the gravitational wave? So question is like that. In the first option, exposing of a star. Yes, it is also correct. Two big star moving at a very high speed. Yes, also because this create the ripples in the space and time in the universe. Two black hole orbit each other, that also be the correct, and the merge of the black hole also be the reason. The next question, yeah, okay, that's the first question, and today we are discussing about like that. Okay, with reference to the medieval history of India, the term Mufa Jot and Zakaria are Mukta Buat refer to. Okay, ये कुछ ऐसी term that these terms are given here, and you have to tell in which case is it related. Number first option, is it the literary text related to the Sufi movement? In the second option, architecture, you have to give the answer in this question. Okay, architecture style during the Sultanate period, is it? Number third, unit of a land measurement during the Mughal period. Number fourth, school of a music in Western India. So you have to tell the right option here. The next question, what do you mean by prebiotic? Okay, prebiotic you are in very news because of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the biotics is much more of important, and this is in news. So option here is it the food ingredient that encourage the growth of the beneficial gut bacteria? Gut, I think stomach को बोला जाता है. It is related to the that part, and it is that called with the second brain of our body. Next is a type of a antimicrobial drug that used in the element of the prevention of the bacterial infection. Is it? Number third, preservation added to the food product to prevent decomposition by microbial growth. In the fourth option, vaccine used to stimulate the production of the antibodies and providing immunity against one of a several diseases. So you have to tell the correct option here also. The next question, consider the following statement. It is related to the geography section. Is it the China type? Is it found the more rainfall in summer as like in India also? Mediterranean type. Is it the concentration of rainfall in winter region, and because of this reason only. Anyway, तो यो आपको सही बताना है. Then British type, adequate rainfall throughout the year. So here throughout the year can be the rainfall whole year. So you have to tell the right option here. So first, second, third and first. So you give the option. In the next question we are discussing about the fiscal drag. What is the fiscal drag means? Is it the fall in the non-tax revenue? जो non-tax revenue, two type of government revenue are part. First is the tax revenue, and that is second is the non-tax revenue. So is it the fall in non-tax revenue due to non-performance of the public sector under companies? Number second, significant economic decline. It means that the significant economic decline होता है यहाँ पे. Reducing the trade and industrial activity are reduced by the successive quarter. In the third option, reduction in the tax collection of the government due to the tax avoidance strategies. The fourth, greater tax burden of people when their income in a progressive tax setup. It means that when the income is increasing, so जो that the tax rate and taxation that they are given is much more. So you have to tell the right option here also. Okay, let's see the next and the last question. Which of the following are the related personality which are taking part in the Quit India movement of 1942? Is it the Ram Manohar Lohia, JP Narayan, Jayaprakash Narayan, Arun Asaf Ali, Anusha Mehta? So you have to tell the right option here. Who taken part in the Quit India movement of 1942, and that started in the 8th August. Okay, let's discuss the first question. First question that we are discussing about the medieval India. In the medieval history, the term Mulfujat Tazkiraz and Muktabat refer to the literary texts related to the Sufi movement. So you have to remember these things. They have not any logic. Muftajat are the texts containing the conversation of the Sufis, and Muktabat are the collection of the letters written by the Sufi master addressed to the discipline. The Zakari are the biographical account of the Sufi saint. So you have to remember all these things that related to the Sufi saint. In the next question, that probiotics, prebiotics, if we are talking about the देखो, if we are deconstruct the whole term pre it means that is related to the earlier form or the nascent form, and biotic that related to the biology, biography that has an important role play in the function. Okay, it's the food ingredient that encourage the growth of the beneficial gut bacteria. So first statement is correct. Let's see the insight की जो insight में क्या दे रखा है vision के आंसर में. Prebiotics are the group of nutrients that are degraded by the gut microbial. Prebiotics are non-digestible substance found in a fiber. It means that it is found in a fiber, so you have to take the fiber diet so that you are encourage these prebiotics in our body. They serve as a food for probiotic bacteria and stimulate their growth in the large intestine. They pass through the small intestine only partially digested, and so once they reach the colon, that is the part of the large intestine, they are capable to be fermented by the bacteria there. So first statement here is correct. In the next question, okay, China type, yes, that is also correct. More rainfall in summer, that's correct. See, it is the fact based question, so you have to remember these things. There is no logic. Mediterranean type, concentration role in winter, and British type, yes, adequate rainfall throughout the year. Let's see. China type में क्या होता है, corrected by the warm most summer and cool by dry winter. Southeast monsoon brings heavy precipitation as in our country also during the summer most to the most area. And if we are talking about the Mediterranean climate, it is characterized by the dry warm summer with the offshore wind and receive most of the precipitation in winter when the westerly shift equatorward. If we are talking about the British, because of the presence of the westerlies, the whole year has a rainfall in that area. Is under permanent influence of the westerlies as well as the ocean, and thus receive the adequate rainfall throughout the year. So it is the reason like that, because of the westerlies and the ocean current that are found there, is the reason for the British type having the rainfall throughout the year. Okay, next is about the fiscal term. If we are talking about the fiscal term, it is a greater tax burden on the people when their income increases in progressive taxation setup. So it is going to be very important. Fiscal tax mean that there is adverse effect of progressive taxation, demand and economic expansion. So it is the correct. It occur when due to the rise in national income, it brings more and more people under the curb of the taxation net due to the progressive taxation due to rise in their income. However, while the nominal income has gone up, but real income may not have correspondingly increasing, or the higher taxation led to reduction in aggregate demand, which may bring slowdown in the economy due to the low demand. It is basically automatic restraint applied to the fast expanding economy under progressive tax system. Income individuals are pushed to into higher income tax bracket, and average tax obligation increase that dampen spending. So you have to that case negative impact on the people because of the real GDP are not increasing. Number first thing, real income is not increasing, आप ये कह सकते हैं, but the nominal income, what is the difference between the real and nominal? It is the difference of the inflation. If you add inflation to the real, it becomes the nominal. It means that the taxes are increasing but not the real income are increasing of the people, so that's why it can lead to the economic slowdown. Okay, next question about the who are taken part in the underground activity the Quit India movement of 1942. So all are correct here. राम मनोहर लोहिया, अरुणा फली, इसको हम ग्रेट लेडी, ग्रैंड ओल्ड लेडी के नाम से भी जानते हैं, जेपी नारायण और उषा मेहता, तो चारों के चारों यहाँ पे सही है. ड्यूरिंग द क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट मोस्ट ऑफ द टॉप लीडर जेल्ड इन द ब्रिटिशर, सो यू टेक इट हेयर. In the next question, okay, 5 daily question that we are discussing about from the insight. So first question is about consider the following statement regarding the sea floor. Sea floor, you have to know about the sea floor. Okay, volcanic eruption are common along the mid-oceanic ridge. It means that in the mid-oceanic ridge in the Atlantic Ocean, is it the volcanic eruption is taking place in this region? The age of the rocks decreases as it means that the rocks has a much more time period and here द लेस टाइम पीरियड. मतलब क्या कि ये वाली चीज़ नहीं है और ये वाली कम है. अगर आपको सिंपल फिलोसफी पता है किस तरीके से कॉन्टिनेंट वगैरह बनते हैं तो आप इसका आंसर दे पाएंगे कि ऐसा ही हो सकता है, गलत हो सकता है. द ओशन क्रस्ट रॉक्स आर मच यंगर देन द कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट. इट मीन दैट द ओशन क्रस्ट are much younger than the continental crust in which we are living. So you have to tell the right option here. Okay, in the next question we are discussing about consider which of the following conditions are good for the fish production and catch. Okay, number first is the coastal upwelling and the nutrient rich colder water. Number second, abundance of the phytoplankton. Number third, meeting why it be so, because of the fish can be rely on that thing. If fish not directly, but because of the simple zooplankton that exists on the phytoplankton, that can be the source of the small fish to take it out and excrete. मतलब क्या है कि वो उसको खा सकते हैं. Melting of warm and cold current meeting of the warm and cold current is the resultant of these cause and effect. Shallow continent shelf in a colder region. So you have to tell the right option here. And in the next question, the speed of the tidal tsunami wave ocean largely depend upon, is it the ocean depth, distance from the mid-oceanic region, and distance from the source of the waves. Number 4 is the density of water. So you have to tell the right option here. Which of the following are the condition for the emergence of a tropical cyclone? Okay, what is the condition that require to tropical cyclone to be caused? Number first, large and continuous supply of warm and moist air. Number second, strong cryolysis force. Number third, strong vertical wind. Number fourth, unstable condition through the troposphere. So you have to tell the right option here. So correct option are first, second, third, first, second, fourth, and first. Okay, you can see the option here. Okay, if you are talking it about like that, in the first question, volcanic eruption are common along the mid. Yes, that is right. The age of the rock, no, that is wrong, because the mid-ocean, near the mid-oceanic area, the rock age is less, and here is more because of the subduction of the zones. Number third, the oceanic crust rock are much younger. Yes, that is also correct. First and third are correct. Let's see. Sea floor spreading is verified using this phenomena. When we realize that all along the mid-oceanic region, volcanic eruptions are common and they bring huge amount of the lava to the surface in this area. The sediment on the ocean floor are unexpectedly very thin. The age of the rock is increasing as we move from the crust. The ocean crust rocks are much younger than the continental rocks. The sediment on the ocean floor are unexpectedly very thin. The deep trenches have been deep-seated earthquake occurrence, while in the mid-oceanic region, the quake foci has shallow depth. The next question is, we are talking about the thermosphere. You can consider the following statement regarding thermosphere. In the thermosphere, temperature decreases very rapidly with increasing height. Is it? It means that the thermosphere is related to the temperature is decreasing very rapidly with, if you are talking about the thermosphere, that is related to the temperature. So how the temperature is decreasing there? So first is you can take the logic here, and how these are located. For example, first is the troposphere, then stratosphere, then mesosphere. Mesosphere में temperature बहुत कम होता है. नेक्स्ट इज द थर्मोस्फेयर, जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ता है. ओके, रेडियो वेव ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम द अर्थ आर रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक टू दिस लेयर. नंबर थर्ड, द स्पेस शटल एंड द इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन आर लाइज इन द थर्मोस्फेयर. सो यू हैव टू टेल द राइट एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. In the next question, if you are talking about the consider the following statement regarding fisheries ground. अच्छा, ओके, मुझे आंसर बताना था. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे सेकंड एंड थर्ड गलत है, क्योंकि थर्मोस्फेयर का टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज़ नहीं करता है, इंक्रीज़ करता है. तो फर्स्ट सही नहीं है, बल्कि सेकंड एंड थर्ड सही है. ये यहाँ से जो रिफ्लेक्शन होके हम कम्युनिकेशन में इसका यूज़ करते हैं, जो हम मोबाइल वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं, आपने रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी सुना होगा, है ना, एंड तो ये यहीं से ही ट्रांसमिशन होता है उनका. नंबर थर्ड की अगर हम बात करें, द स्पेस शटल एंड द इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. सो सेकंड एंड द थर्ड आर करेक्ट. द थर्मोस्फेयर इज द लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ एटमोस्फेयर. द थर्मोस्फेयर कहाँ से लाई करते हैं? 90 किलोमीटर से लेके 500 and 1000 किलोमीटर तक थर्मोस्फेयर का एरिया रहता है. दिस लेयर्स हेल्प इन रेडियो ट्रांसमिशन. रेडियो वेव ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम द अर्थ आर रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक टू द अर्थ बाय दिस लेयर. द स्पेस शटल एंड द इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन बोथ ऑर्बिट अर्थ विद इन द थर्मोस्फेयर. दिस ऑल्सो हैव यू विल. ओके, दैट इज द थिंग्स. ओके ना, इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट को बताना था कि फिश प्रोडक्शन के लिए क्या क्या अच्छी कंडीशन. तो ये चारों सही है. सो इसमें कोई आपको ऑप्शन नहीं दे रखा है. तो एनीवे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्पीड ऑफ द टाइडल सुनामी ओशन इन अ वेव इन ओशन आर डिपेंड अपॉन द ओशन डेप्थ. यस, बिकॉज अगर ओशन डेप्थ ज़्यादा है तो टाइडल सुनामी उतनी ही ज़्यादा कम वेलोसिटी से आएगी. इफ़ शैलो अगर वाटर होगा तो टाइडल सुनामी जो है बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड से आएगी, उतनी ज़्यादा प्रोपोर्शनली. टाइडल सुनामी जायंट वेव जो किसकी वजह से अकर होती है? अर्थक्वेक और वोल्केनिक इरप्शन अंडर द सी. आउट इन द डेप्थ ऑफ द सी, टाइडल सुनामी वेव डू नॉट ड्रामेटिकली increase in height, but as wave travel inland they build due to the higher height as the depth of the ocean decreases. It means that if the ocean depth are decreases, so the height of the tidal tsunami is increasing. It depends upon the ocean depth rather than the distance from the source of the wave. Tidal tsunami wave may travel as fast as jet plane, so it may be very dangerous. The next question, we are talking about which of the following are the condition for the emergence of a tropical cyclone. So yes, strong coriolis force बिल्कुल सही है. देखो, इसी वजह से जो हमारा इक्वेटर के पास ज़्यादा स्टॉर्म्स या फिर ये ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन नहीं आते हैं. लार्ज एंड कॉन्टिनेंट सप्लाई, यस, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन एंड इट इज़ अलोंग द ITCZ. इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वर्टिकल स्टॉर्म, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग, बिकॉज वर्टिकल विंड नहीं होनी चाहिए, कम से कम हो, एंड अनस्टेबल कंडीशन होनी चाहिए ट्रोपोस्फेयर में. तो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, फोर्थ आर करेक्ट है. Or some initial condition of the emergence of the tropical cyclone, if we are talking about the large and continuous supply of warm and moist air, number first. Number second, strong pyrolysis force होना चाहिए. 0 से 5 degree latitude is not a good condition for the emergence of the cyclone there. Number third, unstable condition होना चाहिए through the troposphere that create a local disturbances around the cyclone development. Number fourth and the last, finally, absence of a strong vertical wind which disturb the vertical. Okay. ओके, लेट डिस्कस द जो हम डेली के 5 करंट अफेयर के क्विज हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे रखा है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अबाउट द नेशनल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पाइपलाइन. इट इज़ डिस्कस इन द इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ऑल्सो इन विच द जो पैसा दिया जाता है वो 39:2022. मतलब 22 जो प्राइवेट सेक्टर, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. इट मीन दैट द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज एन इक्वल शेयर. Okay, National Infrastructure Pipeline is a group of the social and the economic infrastructure project in India over a period of 5 years. Is it 2022 till 2025? Number second, majority of the investment will be from the central government. Is it? Number third, India Investment Grid provides a real-time update on the implementation of the National Infrastructure Pipeline. So, India Invested Grid provide real-time update. So, आपको सही बताना है. Number second, if we are talking about the green cracker, research and developed by the scientist of CSI or NERI, जिसका हेडक्वार्टर नागपुर में लाई करते हैं. It does not emit any particular. Is it possible? Number third, Petroleum and Explosive Safety Organization (EPA) so grant license to the manufacturer of the green cracker. So you have to tell the correct option here. In the next question, we are discussing about the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are more prevalent found in the paddy field. Yes, paddy field. In which the methane are much more are related or caused. They are the environmental change factor. It means that the methane that are producing in the paddy field is the reason of the cyanobacteria. It means that the methane are caused देखो साइनोबैक्टीरिया की वजह से पैडी फील्ड में मीथेन बनता है जो हमारे क्लाइमेट चेंज के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हानिकारक है. बस मैं इतना बोलना चाहती थी. ओके, साइनोबैक्टीरिया आर माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म कॉमन इन वाटर एंड समटाइम फाउंड इन सॉइल. इज इट? नंबर सेकंड, नॉट ऑल साइनोबैक्टीरिया प्रोड्यूस टॉक्सिन. मतलब क्या कि सारे के सारे साइनोबैक्टीरिया टॉक्सिन नहीं प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. नंबर थर्ड, क्लाइमेट चेंज इंक्रीजिंग ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर लीडिंग टू साइनोबैक्टीरिया ब्लूम. It means that if there is a change in the temperature, or change in the global temperature, or higher the global temperature, the cyanobacteria blooms are very common in the area. In the next question, if we are talking about the SDRF, State Disaster Response Fund, when they are formed, they are formed in 2005 after the tidal tsunami that occurred in the Gujarat air coastal line here. So SDRF was constituted based on the recommendation of the 14th Finance Commission. Is it? Number second, the central government contribute 50% to the SDRF and the remaining 50% to the state government. And in the third option, state government may use the fund available in the SDRF. It means the state government can use the some of the fund that are available in the SDRF for the providing immediate relief to the victim of natural disaster that they cause to the disaster within the local content the state. अगर मान लीजिए ऐसा कोई डिजास्टर आ जाता है that is the local context में वो डिजास्टर मेंशन किया हुआ है तो स्टेट के पास अथॉरिटी है वो SDRF के पैसे को खर्च कर सकती है. So you have to tell the right and the correct option here. In the next question, if we are talking about the priority sector lending, which things are constitute in it? Export credit, micro, small and medium enterprises, social infrastructure and renewable energy. So you have to tell the correct option here. Okay, if you are talking about the national infrastructure pipeline, yes, it is the green field project in which we are taking about the social and economic infrastructure for the 5 year. For what? So that the infrastructure development and the lackness in which the infrastructure development is not taken care of, then we can invest this money. So yes, that is correct. Majority of the investment come from the central government. No. There is majority of this जो investment is come from the central or the state दोनों के साथ आएगा. तो second is incorrect. India infrastructure grid, yes, that is right. So first and third option are correct है. National infrastructure pipeline, a group of a social and economic infrastructure project in India over a period of 5 years, and India initial sanction किया गया 102 lakh crore. Center के 39%, state 39%, and private sector contribute 22% here. The India investment grid is designed to give real time update. So in the next question, green cracker, if we are talking about the yes, that is developed by the CSI. It is not. That is at the prime phase is the wrong. So third, if we are that also be the correct because PISO is the agency that grant license to the manufacturer of the green safer. So C option here as per these norms we are is C option here are correct. Green cracker were researched and developed by the scientists at the CSI National Environment Engineering Research Institute. As per the Supreme Court direction, green cracker, if we are talking about the small shell size compared to the traditional cracker that are made in our country and that are using the explosive substance and create the pollution in the environment. Green cracker release water vapor and don't allow the dust particle to rise. They are designed to have a 30% less particulate matter, so that's why it has a great significance. Green cracker don't contain banned chemical such as lithium, arsenic. It means that the 5 element that in the traditional firecracker we have found, these things are not found in these cracker that are formulated by the CSIR or NERI. They are called the sulfur, SWAS, safe water release and safe thermite cracker and the safe minimal aluminium cracker. Petroleum and explosive substances, PISO is the licensing body to grant their license. If we are talking about the cyanobacteria are microscopic organism common in water and sometimes found in soil. Yes, also correct. Not cyanobacteria produce toxin. That is also be correct because the variability that are found in the environment is much more high. So that statement is correct. क्योंकि सब चीज़ पाया जाता है environment में. So ये basic common sense है. Climate change license global temperature is related to the cyanobacteria bloom. Yes, first, second, third तीनों की तीनों सही है. Toxins are produced by cyanobacteria, kill more than 300 elephants in Botswana. That's why it is in news. Cyanobacteria are microscopic organisms common in water and sometimes found in soil. Not all produce toxins, but scientists say toxic ones are occurring more frequently as climate change. It means that there is a correlation between the cyanobacteria activity and the climate change and the global temperature. For example, climate change are occurred. Some cyanobacteria bloom can harm people and animals also. Scientists are concerned about the potential impact of the climate change lead to the warmer water temperature, which may contribute to the production of these cyanobacteria. Okay, if we are talking about the SDRF, yes, SDRF are constituted based on the recommendation of the 14th Finance Commission. No, that is the recommendation of the 13th Finance Commission. So first is wrong. The central government contributed 50% to SDRF. That will also be the wrong statement because the central government do not contribute 50%, but I think 75% is contributed by the central government. Now, if we are talking about third, yes, that is the correct statement, in which if there is a disaster at the regional level, the state has the power to utilize the SDRF fund in the area. So, third only are correct. If we are talking about the SDR that is formulated in 2005, it constitutes based on the recommendation of the 13th Finance Commission. Funding, if we are talking about 75% SDRF allocation or general category state and 90% special category state are given by the central government. Heads, if we are talking about state executive committee headed by the chief secretary of the utilize these funds. Okay, that has the power to utilize this fund. Okay, if you are talking about the priority sector lending, so which are things that are included in the priority sector lending? So all these four are correct. So export credit, MSME, social infrastructure and renewable energy. So all are correct. Okay, let's see the important current event. Okay, see Chinook on the Rockies, Jonda on the Andes, Pampera in the Argentina region, and Blizzard in the Canada, another in the North America, and Node in the Mexico region. Helm, Bora and Sin Mistel Phone Levante in the Europe region. सिरोको खमसीन, सिरोको को याद रखना, सारा डेजर्ट में और लीबिया खासकर खमसीन में, इजिप्ट, हरमटन एंड ये सीरा नवाडा कुछ ऐसा ही है. वो भी यहाँ पे नॉन डायरेक्शनल है. बर्ग इन द साउथ अफ्रीका रीजन. इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन द एशिया रीजन तो कारापुरा एंड बुरान. सो and in the Australia region, backfielder and southerly winds or local wind that are found there. If you are talking about the important cold wind current, California, Labrador current found here, and Canary current, then is the Greenland OSU current. And if you are talking about the in the southern region, which are the important cold wave current, so Peru, if you are then west wind drift, and here Western Australian current and Bengal current. So if you are talking about the important deserts, the Great Basin and Colorado Plateau, Sonora, Mojave, Chincho in the North America region. If you are south in the South Atacama and the Patagonia. In the Europe there is no desert at all. Then Asia, Gobi, Taklakalam, Karakoram, Kirgizkulam. And in Africa, Sahara, Arabia and Thar, Namib bhi hai, and Namib and Kalahari. In the Australia region, so the Tamnami, Great Sandy, Gibson, Great Victoria, Stuart Stoney and Simpson found in the Australia region. Greece, Grigal, Italy, Termota, Adriatic Sea in the Bora, Alps, Phone, Rocky, Chinook, and is in the Jonda region. Sahara, Sirocco, Egypt, Khamsin, Libya, Gibli, and Gulf of Guinea and Hermatan. We had already discussed. बिहार एंड वेस्ट बंगाल बैसाखी जो हमारे यहाँ पे लू चलती है उसको नॉर्थ इंडिया में लू बोला जाता है. एंड एट द हॉट डस्टी विंड. कर्नाटक में ब्लोजम शॉवर एंड केरला में मैंगो शॉवर के नाम से इनको जाना जाता है. ओके, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंट माउंटेन दैट आर फाउंड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इज इन द नॉर्थ अमेरिका रॉकीज, Sierra Nevada and Sierra Madre, and Appalachian in the North America region, and in the South America, Andes in the South America region, and Apennines and Pyrenees in the Europe, Scandinavian, and Altus here, Ravengeri Mountain, Drakensberg, Taurus, Koskas Mountain, Ural Mountain, Tyne, Altai Mountain, Karakoram, Himalaya Ghats, Hindu Kush and Zagros, McDonald's and Great Dividing Range, they are found here. Okay, important seas if you are talking about like that. See, if you are talking about the North America Sea, तो Gulf of Alaska here, Gulf of Mexico, Sargasso Sea, Hudson Bay, Labrador Sea, Gulf of Lawrence, Bolton Sea, and Beaufort Sea. So in the South America region, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, and okay. If we are talking about the in the ocean of the Indian Ocean, Red Sea and the Gulf of, you can see here, right? But important here is these seas of the Europe region. For example, Greenland Sea, Norwegian Sea, Bay of Biscay, Strait of Gibraltar, Mediterranean Sea, Adriatic Sea and Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Kara Sea, Barents Sea, Gulf of Bothnia, and here lies the Baltic Sea, North Sea. So you have to remember these things, that is important. And these are things, for example, the Sea of Oisho, Sea of Japan, East China Sea, South China Sea, Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea, and Arabian Sea, and Java Sea here, Philippine Sea, Celebes Sea, Coral Sea, and you can see in the here. Important, I told it about. If you are talking about the largest water body that are found around the world is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, South Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Philippine Sea, Coral Sea, Arabian Sea, and South China Sea and Caribbean Sea. So you can remember if you can. जैसे ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं जाएगा, बट फिर भी इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सबसे ज़्यादा जीडीपी किसकी है, तो मकाओ रीजन ऑफ द चाइना, सेकंड पे लक्समबर्ग, नंबर थर्ड पे सिंगापुर, नंबर फोर्थ पे कतर, नंबर फिफ्थ पे आयरलैंड, नंबर सिक्स पे स्विट्जरलैंड, सेवन्थ पे यूएई, नंबर एट पे नॉर्वे, नाइन्थ पे यूएसए एंड टेंथ पे ब्रुनई है. मेजर स्टेट इफ आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेरिंग स्टेट, यू कैन सी द बेरिंग स्टेट है, सी ऑफ चुकची एंड द बेरिंग सी को ये डिस्कनेक्ट करता है, कनेक्ट करता है, या फिर ये कह सकते हैं. एंड मेजर स्टेट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बोस्फोरस स्ट्रेट डेट आर फाउंड देयर, ब्लैक सी और तो सी ऑफ मरमरा को जो कनेक्ट करता है वो स्टेट ऑफ बोस्फोरस है, जो ब्लैक सी को सी ऑफ मरमरा और एजेंट सी को कनेक्ट करता है तो स्टेट ऑफ डेंडेलस है. तो बाबे मंडप की इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, तो यू कैन सी हेयर द बाबे मंडप स्टेट हेयर, यमन के पास है. स्टेट ऑफ डोवर, तो इंग्लिश चैनल को जो कनेक्ट करता है इंग्लैंड एंड फ्रांस को जोड़ने वाला स्टेट जो है वो डोवर स्टेट कहते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गिब्राल्टर स्टेट, तो स्पेन एंड द मोरक्को को डिस्कनेक्ट करते हैं. मलक्का स्टेट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट स्टेट, यू कैन सी हेयर द सुमात्रा रीजन, मलेशिया रीजन के पास में ये जो स्टेट ऑफ मलक्का है. स्टेट ऑफ टार्टर इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, तो डेट वेयर इट इज़ फाउंड, तो हेयर इट इज़ फाउंड, इट इज़ द सी ऑफ अस्कोटोक एंड सी ऑफ जापान. बेसिकली ये जापान एंड रशिया के बीच में है. ओके ये कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन है. लॉन्गेस्ट स्टेट कहाँ पे है, स्टेट ऑफ द मलक्का स्टेट विच सेपरेट मलाय पेनिनसुला टू द सुमात्रा आइलैंड ऑफ द इंडोनेशिया एंड इट इज़ 800 किलोमीटर. वाइडेस्ट स्टेट की अगर हम बात करें तो डेनमार्क का स्टेट है, जो ग्रीनलैंड स्टेट के नाम से भी जानते हैं. नैरोवेस्ट स्टेट की बात करें तो बोस्फोरस स्टेट है, 800 मीटर का ओनली. शैलोवेस्ट स्टेट की बात करें तो सुंडा स्टेट जो है ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द डेप्थ ऑफ अबाउट 20 मीटर. एंड स्टेट डेट सेपरेट एशिया फ्रॉम अमेरिका, एशिया को जो अमेरिका को जो सेपरेट करते हैं तो बेरिंग स्टेट है, जो हमने सबसे पहली स्लाइड में देखा था. स्टेट डेट सेपरेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया फ्रॉम तस्मानिया, द बास स्टेट सेपरेट. स्टेट डेट सेपरेट यूरोप फ्रॉम अफ्रीका, तो वो गिब्राल्टर स्टेट है. बाय दिस वी आर एडिंग दिस सेशन. तो होप यू लाइक द